A vast number of digital influencers are making huge money on platforms like Instagram, but do you know many of them are not real? You heard right. They are fake and made by AI. In today's video, I will share the method of creating hyper-realistic Instagram influencers with AI.
What we need first is a good face. For that, we use an excellent AI tool called TensorArt. This tool is absolutely free. You need to go to the TensorArt website and click on the posts. Here, you'll find millions of already generated images. Now, you just need to select the image that you want to create an influencer from. Clicking on Generate will give me this image. It's okay, but better results can be achieved by changing the prompt slightly. Another thing to remember is to always insert a seed number before generating a new image. This seed number acts as a unique ID. Now, if you like the face in this image, you can keep the seed number the same and just change the prompt. This way, you can maintain consistency in your influencer's images. For example, I've taken some free-to-use images from Pixel.com. Now, first, let's create a face ID for our influencer. Let's name her Arya. Now, to swap the face in the image, use the /swap ID command and drag and drop. Put Arya in the ID name and see how our influencer's new image is generated in just a few seconds. You can see the difference in the before and after pics. Similarly, we can swap faces in other images too. And see, even after swapping faces in these images, the result is pretty good. By following this process, you become a pro at creating images for your influencer. Now, let's talk about InstaReels. We'll use G-Collab Notebook to generate reels. With this, we can deepfake any video. First, upload the source image, which is our influencer's image, and the target video, which I've taken from Pixel.com for free. Copy their paths and paste them in the third step. And run it. Within minutes, your video is ready. Look, deepfake reels are ready. This way, you can swap your influencer into any free-to-use video, and that's it. If you upload good content regularly with discipline, your following will definitely grow. And then, just like famous AI influencers, you can also earn decent money by doing brand deals. Hope you liked this video, and by following this process, you can earn good money.